Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Introduction to Engineering Ethics. So, what is engineering? It is the process of developing an efficient mechanism which quickens and eases the work using limited resources with the help of technology. Like ethics are the principles accepted by the society which also equate to the moral standards of human beings. So, an engineer with ethics can help the society in a very better way. Hence, the study of engineering ethics, where such ethics are implemented in engineering by the engineers, is necessary for the good of the society. Engineering ethics is the study of decisions, policies, and values that are more desirable in engineering practice and research. So, from the definition of these terminologies like engineering ethics are highly important for the upcoming engineers. So, what are morals? The word morality originates from the Latin word mos, meaning custom. Morals are the principles or habits with respect to right or wrong of one's own conduct. They are not imposed by anybody. Morals are what you think is good or bad personally. Morals are always defined by one's own personality. Morals can be changed according to one's beliefs as they are completely dependent on one's perception towards the ethical values. A moral is the code of conduct that you develop over time and set for yourself to follow. Just like examples, being good to everyone, speaking only the truth, going against what you know is wrong, having chastity, avoid cheating, being a nice human being, etc. So, all these examples are related to moral. So, what are ethics? The word ethics originates from the Greek word ethos, meaning character. Ethics are a set of rules or principles that are generally considered as standards or good and bad or right and wrong, which are usually imposed by an external group or a society or a profession or so. Ethics can be understood as the rules of conduct proposed by a society or recognized with respect to a particular class of human actions or a particular group or culture. Ethics are dependent on others' definition. They may or may not vary from context to context. So, when we differentiate morals and ethics, the differences lies in this definition and also how it is being perceived by the people. If you look at this Venn diagram, ethics are influenced by the external rules and it may be vary people to people, person to person, context to context, and it is varying between the environments. But if you look at the morals are the personal principles of every human being, every personality, and every character, and it will rarely change. So the commonalities between the ethics and morals are both are talking about the right and wrong conduct of living style and life. So the conclusion, a person who strictly follows a set of ethical principles may not have a moral at all, while a person who violates ethical principles at times may maintain a high moral integrity. So here from the conclusion, it's very clearly evident the person who is following very perfectly with all the ethical principles, he may not have a moral values. He may violate the ethical principles at some times or some time to time because the person may be maintaining a high moral integrity. So thus the moral and ethics are understood by the people and the society. Thank you very much. Let us see in the next class.